In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add favorite contacts on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the phone app. Now head over to the Contacts tab. Once you're over here, you're going to find out all the contacts that are saved in your device. Browse through your contact list or use the search bar to find the person you want to add to your favorites. Once you find it, click on the contact name. Now scroll down, you're going to find the option of Add to Favorites. Click on that. Depending on the contact information available, you can choose options such as call, message, video, or other supported communication methods. If the contact has multiple phone numbers or email addresses, select the one you would like to use for your favorite contact. After making your selection, the contact will be added to your favorites. You will see a star icon next to the selected contact method, indicating that it has been successfully added. From now on, you can quickly access this person by opening the phone app and tapping the Favorites tab, making it faster to call, message, or start a FaceTime conversation with the most important contacts. So that's it. This is how you can easily add favorite contacts on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.